If not law, then what? Uh, hmm. Hello everybody and welcome to the channel of Legal Humming. This is me Deshna Jain, and for today's video all you have to do is take some popcorn, take some coke and just sit back and relax and watch me answer some of the questions which you asked me. Also, yes, by my all glam up mood, you might have assumed that it is a special video. Yes, it is, because I turned 21 today, and not just that, my website Legal Humming turned 1 year 3 months old today. This channel turned 4 month old today. So you see, we have a lots and lots of occasions to celebrate on. So a few days back, I put up this story right here on my Instagram and asked you guys to drop some questions which you wanted to ask me for a very long time, and you flooded me with all your questions, and I am so glad that you showed your interest in me. So now, without any further ado, let's dive into the questions which you guys have asked me. And before starting, let me tell you, oh my god, you guys were so creative with all your questions, and I just got a glimpse of it, and I am so excited to answer all of them. So yeah, let's start answering your questions. So now the very first question which you guys flooded me with was to know in which college or university I am from, or am I from some NLU. I study at MUJ, that is Manipal University, Jaipur, and no guys, it's not NLU. So yes, it's a private university and I study at MUJ. Moving on, the second question which you guys asked me was to know which subject I had in my 12th, and someone also asked me, are you from the commerce background? No guys, I'm not from commerce background, and I had PCM, physics, chemistry, maths as my core subjects in my 12th standard. So yes, I come from a science stream background. The next question which you guys asked me is which city I am from, or where do I belong from, and someone even had an assumption that I am from Delhi. No, I am not from Delhi, you guys. I am from Rajasthan. I hail from the city Udaipur, Rajasthan, and it is also the city of lakes, so I come from there. Now this one is a very interesting question, and it is actually dropped by one of my very close friend, and she asked me, Legal Humming is a beautiful name, and I always wanted to ask the reason behind this name. Thank you so much for asking me this question. It's a very, very lovely question. At legal, the term legal is to show that the platform represents the legal background or the law profession, and to help the legal students out there. Humming, so humming comes from, of course, the bird hummingbird. I took the word humming first of all because hummingbirds have the tendency which are very unique and makes it differ from any other birds. They can fly in different ways, they can speak, they have the tendency to communicate. That is to promote the fact that you have to speak legally and you can change the world by all the laws and by your legal power. So this is the reason I chose the name Legal Humming for my website. Okay, so next someone asked me and told me, Dee, you are so studious and hardworking. I love watching your videos. And someone has also asked me that how to be passionate like me. So am I studious? No, I'm not studious at all. And how to be passionate like me? So for that I would say there's no fixed formula for being passionate कि ये करो और तुम passionate हो जाओगे इसको लेकर. Just love what you are doing in your life and where you are in your life, and you will automatically be very passionate like I am. I really enjoy the field I am in, so that automatically makes me hardworking and passionate about what I do today. So that is about that. Next, someone asked me, how do you manage with your personal growth, Legal Humming, and also up to YouTube bhi? I'll be very honest, it is sometimes really tough to manage all of these things together, because when we talk this thing personal growth, we have to consider the college lecture things and studies and extracurricular activities which we all students have to perform, and then coming to the website, it is a hectic task to maintain that website, to keep uploading and uploading, but I love doing that. And also YouTube bhi. So for that you can watch my vlog. I have shown that I really start my day by planning things out and know what my day is gonna look like. This is something which has helped me so much so far, and this is one thing that I learned very recently only, and this is working out for me. So this can be a help for you as well. If you have multiple tasks to do, just sit down, relax, and make a to-do list or plan out your day, and this will help you out for sure. Okay, so next question is a very interesting question. Someone has asked me, आपके parents को पता है क्या YouTube का? And someone has also asked me who is the most supportive in my family. So of course, yes, my family does know about my YouTube channel. And who is most supportive? I would say my entire family, my mom, my dad, and my bhai. But I would be a little biased as a sibling, and I would say that my elder brother, he is the most supportive person I know and I have in my life, and I am absolutely blessed to have him in my life. And if you are watching this, I know he is watching it right now, so a big heart for you, and thank you so much for supporting me always and trusting me. The fact that my parents have always been those people who have just promoted my videos, and it shows that they are so ready to accept the fact that they can trust me, and I really enjoy that fact. So thank you so much, mama, papa, and bhaiya. You are the most amazing people, and I'm blessed to have you in my life, and thank you so much. Okay, moving on to the next question. Someone has asked me how to apply for internship at Legal Humming. All you have to do is send your CV at legalhumming@gmail.com, and make sure that your subject is internship, and then your CV would be checked and you would be contacted in case you are selected for the internship. So that's that simple. Okay, so next question. Is judiciary your goal? No, not really. I am not planning, at least by now, that I have to go for judiciary. I am more lean to corporate law and those jobs thing. So no, judiciary is not my goal and not on my head as of now. I don't know where my future will lead me, but I'm sure by now that judiciary is not something which I want to go for. Next question, which subject you love the most? That's a very interesting question. I enjoyed a lot of subjects so far. In my first year, I remember I used to love learning law of torts. I had the best command on that subject. For now, in this semester, I really enjoy learning forensic sciences and law. I like every subject in this field except jurisprudence. Okay, so the next question is also a very interesting one. Someone has asked me, if not law, then what? I'll tell you something. You know what? Doing law was never a planned thing for me. You won't believe the fact that I was actually preparing for IIT and not for CLAT, because I came from science background and I didn't even knew that there's a field called law, because I'm a first generation lawyer. Everyone in my family is either engineer or a teacher, so I became the very first lawyer of my family. So honestly, अगर मैं law नहीं कर रही होती तो then I would have chosen something related to very similar thing, like maybe doing some administrative preparations, or like preparing for UPSC and cracking and becoming an IAS or something like that. Now this very next question is very personal and is very touchy as well, and it says that how you used to feel when you got less reach on website than expected, and how you managed it. Thank you so much, first of all, for asking me this question. It's a very sweet question. So first of all, when I started my website Legal Humming, I never had this in my mind that I will have certain numbers, because firstly I had no clue. Like, I did some research, but still I had no clue how this all website reach and all these things worked. So I never focused on number. When slowly and gradually I came to know that there is a thing called reach, people get to your website and then your number increase. There's a thing called subscription, people subscribe to your website as well, take their subscriptions. Then I started putting my efforts on numbers as well. But honestly, I tried to not take all these numbers on my head. But yes, I'll be very honest, there was this one time where I thought that I'm just failing miserably, because my reach stopped at the month of Feb, and it was just not increasing till the month of April, I guess. So that was a stage that demotivated me a lot, but I never stopped my work. I kept on going, and we are now a huge family on the website. So thank you so much for all the people who have visited my website and has sent your articles and legal writings for the publication, and trusted me with your work and with my work as well. Thank you so much. So yeah, that is it about all the question, guys. Thank you so much for sending me all your love and all your questions. It really means a lot to me, and you actually made my birthday a very special one. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked me and my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and also turn on that notification bell so that you are notified about my recent uploads, and then you can watch my videos. And yeah, that is all about it. Thank you so much, everyone. Please take care. And now this is me, Deshna Jain, signing off now. Bye bye.